Assalamu alaikum, dear trainees. We are just going on basic English language course, how to just communicate with others. So this one is the third topic of our course, mean how to invite someone and how to just put refusals over there when we are busy, when we are not in mood to go there, or when we are not in the mood to accept this one. So how to accept, how to invite, and how to refuse these, this will be like presented in these lectures. After this lecture you will be able to just produce or just communicate with others like this one. So the question is here that how to accept and refuse invitations in English. So this one is the like questions we should know about these ones. And there are two methods, as you know, that the formal and informal. Formal is that we are totally formal in vocabulary, in structure sentences, in mode. Mode means the positive phase and the negative phase, and then we can say something the going on very formal settings, we can say that this one is a formal. And informal, when we make the gossip with other friends, when we have the frankness with others, so this one will be like informals. So this one is this table shows that how to invite someone, that how to accept someone invitation, that how to refuse when someone is inviting you. So this one is like this. So we have to just look here that how to invite the peoples formally. These all are and formal sentences here. Like first one is how about a game of football on Monday? Mean we are just inviting someone. For example, we are inviting someone to come and join us on Monday about football game. So and then when would you like to come to the theater with me tonight? Mean this is the invitation, and you are just going to propose or invite someone on movie night. So, and there is will you join me for tea, just for the tea invitations, and I have got two tickets for a cinema on Saturday. Would you like to come on? This again mean the cinema, mean the theaters. And then would you like to have dinner with me tonight? This one is about the dinners. So using modal verbs are using WH family at the beginning of the sentences, we can say this one is very formal and a formal way to invite someone. It will be a positive way and a requestive way in which the other person have the authority and liberty to say yes or no. And another one is invitation like, would you like to join me? Would you like to take tea? Would you like to have a breakfast with me? Would you like to have a dinner with me? Would you like to dine with me tonight? These all are the phrases of invitations. We can say by using these phrases, we invite someone on something, on party, on events, or on, we can say on something, or for the watching movie or something. So how to accept this one? So these phrases show that how to accept. Yes, I would like that. Sure, I would love to. And sure, good idea. Super. I would love to. Like these are the phrases shows your accepting mood here. And how to refuse someone if we are busy, if we don't have time. So how to refuse someone in this regard? Sorry, I'm busy. Sorry, maybe some other time. I can't. I have got another plans. I would love to, but I'm very busy on Saturday. I'm busy tonight. How about Sunday? Mean you are busy and you are just suggesting something that this should be good if we just go for on that day. So mean the day, the time, you can mention, sorry, I'm afraid I don't have time. I appreciate the invite, but I can't, as we have done in our like education careers. In education careers, for example, letter writing, someone just invite us, and we don't have time, so we put the refusal over there that I like I appreciate your invitation, but sorry, I will not come to join you because I'm very busy. So this one is like this. I'm really sorry, but inshallah another day, we can say this one is a thing to just refuse. And then this one is a formal invitations. When you want to invite someone, this one is a very formal thing. Mean you want to invite someone, and by face, just this one is like a communication mode, not is the letter writing, other things, nothing. On face-to-face conversation, you have to invite someone. Would you like to join me on Monday? For example, I would very very much like you to come to join, to be a member, to be a part of that family, to be a part of that event. So we can say this one is a very formal situations. We should be pleased, delighted if you could come. Would you care to, like, or you will, what you like, let's together, let's do together. This one is like a proposal, as in narration. The let us is a sentences propose someone, like let's work together, let us watch movie together, let us go to the beach together, let us take tea together. This one is like this. And then how to accept informal situations. So that's very kind of you. We would very much like to, what a delightful idea, what a wonderful idea, what a greatest players. I mean, thank you so much for this invitation. This one is a very common thing, but we have to change our conversation as the word demands the new English. New English doesn't mean that the English is something in new, but we can say that the new vocabulary. So new vocabulary, new structure sentences, and new modes, new accents. So we should go for these. We should alter our things with the modern era. So how to refuse if you don't have time in formal situations? I'm very sorry, I don't think I can. For example, I would like to, but I'm afraid I have already promised with someone, so some other day. Thank you for asking me, but I'm rather busy right now. Inshallah, I will join you tomorrow. I will join you for another day. Unfortunately, I can't do this one right now. Inshallah, let you back know on Monday, on Sunday, on some other day, we can say. So the turn is an informal situation. In informal situation, the invitation is like a gossip, like when we have frankness with others. So we can enjoy the talk with them, to invite someone, and with a very informal situation. For example, why won't you come to me? If one friend just is asking for others, and one friend just is going to invite others. Like this one is the invite. Someone just invites his friend by just making jokes, by just talking about something very frankness. So like to come to, shall we come? You must come to. This one is like a very order type thing. How about tomorrow morning? Let's meet at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, or some other days, we can say. Then accepting, I would, like, I will, I would, this one is like that would be nice. The accepting things, I would like to love to come, all right, I will come, I promise, I will be there, I will be there on time, I think I will be there before you. The prior thing is mine in day, mean I will be there. So this one is like a mode of informal thing. So how to refuse? Sorry, I can't. I would love, but I can't. The simple is informal situations. I don't have time. Is very very like a frankness time, we can say. Sorry, I don't think I can make it. I can't make it. I'm sorry, I can't make it again. Let's another day. So this the talk was about totally invitation and accepting and refusing someone. So by knowing this one, inshallah, I hope you will be able to communicate with others by using these phrases very well. So I would appreciate your time. I will appreciate your subscribe my channel, to like my videos. I will appreciate these all things. Thank you so much. Inshallah, we will see you again in next videos.